Are you interested in a home where all of your daily living is on one level? Plus it has a huge upstairs where your very welcome family can come and visit and stay for a long time. It's in a neighborhood that feels like a plus 55 neighborhood, but is not one, where the HOA maintains the exterior landscaping so you can lock it and leave for your world tour. And we've got some accessibility features you're going to want to check out. If you're interested in all that, folks, you're going to want to see this home. Let's check out 1820 Pinecliff in Fuquay Varina. How about this open floor plan, folks? Gas fireplace, these gorgeous floors, and this fantastic kitchen with these wonderful stone countertops, stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets. You're going to want to check out the primary, which lives like a spa, including the zero entry shower. Upstairs, we have this huge rec room, bedroom with a full bath, and a large walk-in closet. I love this cozy screen porch right off the primary bedroom where you can have your morning coffee, and this very relaxing patio. Folks, whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, my team is ready to help you. Let me know when you'd like to see 1820 Pinecliff in Fuquay Varina.